There are various machine learning models developed by engineers worldwide. For developing a machine learning model, engineers must have knowledge of math and statistics, and this is where it gets complex. To make things simple, there are several frameworks developed by engineers so that reusability and ease of developing their applications based on machine learning becomes simple. Some of the machine learning frameworks are TensorFlow, Amazon ML, Scikit-learn, PyTorch, Theano, Keras, H2O, MLPack. Apart from these, there are several other frameworks as well. Most of these are written in Python. So, we can say Python plays a crucial role in machine learning. Each of the frameworks listed has advantages as well as disadvantages. PyTorch is most commonly used. The ultimate goal of a machine learning framework is to simplify development of machine learning algorithms. Pick the required libraries and develop application on top.